rip off the plane? You didn't put anything on?
Yeah, I didn't put any shit on it. Oreo.
You're my boy. You are such a happy dog.
That's the EGR, right?
I think so.
Man. You can clean them up.
That one's crusty.
Fuck my leg, dude. I spilled my weight on it and almost fell over. You gonna put those in the intake manifold one? Or are you gonna put the bolt back in?
Put the bolt back in. Okay, put the bracket. Put that bracket near or on the intercooler. Because it's the intercooler bracket.
That TGV valve on the side, I did not unplug because it is buried. Outside of that, we're close. Oh. Get them bolt this. How the fuck? This is the, yeah, the harness. There's a bolt right there.
What size is it?
I'm gonna guess a 14.
No.
Smaller?
Yeah. he said you do have to kind of finagle it out of there pretty hard.
Holy shit. Okay,
What?
so we gotta undo this clip right here because this is coming out with it. This is the fuel rail with the heat shield.
Which clip?
That guy. That harness needs to come off.
Just careful not to touch the power steering pump. I've done that like 14 fucking times.
We're gonna have to do that bolt right here. What else holding that? God damn it. That bolt.
It's part of the intercooler bracket as well.
Yeah, I'll take that off.
Size.
12. This one?
Stupid motherfucker. Use power tools, they said. It'd be fun, they said.
You need more power, probably.
That on there. And that guy.
There's one fucking right behind the turbo, too.
Oh.
What? Okay. Wasn't even tight.
Reminds me of Normandy.
A
I
bag.
have a bag already for intercooler bolts, bracket
You
bolts.
should. Intercooler.
Oh, that one was hella loose too. Just gotta remember which ones go where.
Shouldn't be too bad.
But it definitely putting
Hit the ground. Like it up.
definitely putting everything back together is where I'm gonna need you.
Legit, putting stuff back together is easier than taking it apart.
Yeah, I know, but finding which bolt went where, that's
I promise you, you think that, but when you do it, you're like, oh, this goes here. Oh, this goes here. It makes sense.
so
He's the guy that does this for a living.
My very first time I had that fear too, but
Nathan, no, Nathan, shut the fuck up. You're the guy that does this for a living. You silly goose.
Get in the bolt. What do you want this? On the intercooler?
somewhere near the intercooler.
Oh my.
We do have to unplug the injectors though, yeah?
Yes.
Because we can unplug this from here and start bringing it forward, take this out.
Don't tell anybody.
oh, that's cool.
Oh.
Yeah.
Flush it.
I'm not gonna edit that out.
I don't like the slide
Yeah, I'm trying to see how it's locked on now. That was dumb. Why'd I do that? I just blinded the fuck out of myself. Yeah, I don't know, man. Can you unbolt it?
Oh.
You can. You got two 12s.
They're not 12s.
Are you sure?
Yes, it is. One's up against the strut tower? Yeah.
Maybe because I blinded myself, that's fair.
Yeah, okay.
Are you driving to work tomorrow or is Harrison driving to work?
I don't know. Why?
What time do you think you're gonna get off work?
I don't know. Mondays are always up in the air.
I was thinking of taking the Mazda 2 to work and leaving it there. That way I'm not crowding.
It is what it is. I got 3 cars sitting here. Oh, you stupid motherfucker. There's another wire connected to that bracket.
Another what? Oh, yeah. Easy. You'll know.
Why is there so much bullshit? It's coming.
If you drive your Mazda 2, don't you need to take your dealer plate back to work?
Maybe not really, just because I don't really do used cars.
Uh,
I did it over this weekend, but oh my god. Oh, I'm fucking dumb. That's what's happening. I forgot that's a stupid fucking. Fuck my leg, dude. I don't know what the fuck I
Is it
did.
your knee?
No, it's right here, my calf.
Oh.
I put any weight on it, it just fucking kills me. That, remember right below this, there's like a plug? That's what I'm struggling with. It's not the connector, it's because the connector is also attached to that plug underneath. That needs to come out. I have it moved back a little bit. I don't know if it's easier to pry it out now with this. It's like I pulled a leg muscle or something. That's what it feels like. Ow.
It's like it's hooked on that too.
Yeah, it's like a connector like this, and then there's a plug underneath. So it's like two things at once.
Kind of like this.
Kinda.
Slides on. just go to there.
Yeah, we just need that plug. There we go. There you go. Should
Oh,
be
the
free.
whole fucking thing came off of it.
See? Yeah. When that goes down to your PCV.
But it's still attached.
How is it attached?
Why does video make this look so fucking easy, dude?
What was that?
Oh.
Is that the flashlight?
No, flashlight's right here, but I don't know what that. My magnet. My snap-on one.
I'm going in.
Nice.
Dunkin' for apples. You good moving the coolant bottle?
Yeah.
I guess I move it under more. It's fine. Should have less chance of
What?
Is that where you get your voices?
No.
You want it? I can't even go that high. It hurts.
I don't know. I don't know how to get that.
Yeah, fuck that hard line. Jesus. I'm trying to lean over without hurting myself.
You want to lean from this side?
The plug definitely can slip forward. Got it. Should be free.
Oh shit.
Is that the only other harness back there, or is there more? Fuel rail, the ejectors. For those two. How the fuck do you get those out?
Let's take the.
Ow. Yeah, I don't see how you're gonna do that because look, you got.
I know. I see it.
Unless you can bolt those two, get that out of the way, and then you can use a wrench.
I'll take this out of it.
Yeah.
That's a little motor that turns the two gears. Does it?
Like, is it timed?
Is it sprung or anything?
I have no idea. Let's look for an alternative.
Yeah, fuck. I'm not getting to the bolts back here unless we take the turbo out. Try and take the turbo out with the motor.
Hold up. We got two harnesses going that way.
Will you shut the fuck up?
We're trying to work here.
Okay, what? Two harnesses?
You got two harnesses over here and two harnesses over here. That one is that guy. How the fuck? You have to take that heat shield off. Because how are you gonna get the harness out of it one? Yeah. I'm gonna undo those down there. Oh my god. This connector's broken. That was not me. See it?
Oh.
It just slipped right off. I need a 10 mil.
Socket?
Yeah,
Oh, I was. Never mind.
I don't need an extension.
That's what she said.
I'm taking this ground strap off down here. And I'll leave it on the chassis.
Oh my.
That should go up now.
Goodbye, man. Goodbye. Goodbye, man. Goodbye.
There's 2 bolts on this side behind the servo.
Oh, true poppy, true poppy. What?